Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Casey Kapawatan. Laking Dumaguete. But I lived here in Metro Manila for the last 12 years. So, my first poem is all about rejection. Actually, this poem is based from an older one, from a master actually. His name is Pablo Neruda. And this was based from his poem, If You Forget. And the story behind this is that I once fell in love with a girl. I wooed her, but she's somewhat like a fickle girl. Yung sa Tagalog pa, maasa. So the title of this first poem is, If You Do Not Love Me. I can tell you only one thing. My sight searches for you, like the dawn searching for the orange hue of the waking sun. I love you, not just because you are the portrait the muses dote on. The brightest star may shed their infinite radiance to you, my dear, but you, to me, are my endless life. A light that refreshes my aging soul, and you, my beloved, are seared into my heart like an ox bread that taints a maverick. If you do not love me, do not befriend me. For every moment that you stayed on, my love for you will, like a flame that continues to light on till I am no more, and I will go on being drawn to you, like a moth being drawn to its demise. A flame that proved false. Instead, my dear, toss me into the deepest chasm where the roaring tempest will wash away all my lingering thoughts of you, until little by little I shall stop remembering that you were once my heart, you were once my yearning, and once I forgot you, my darling, you will no longer be. But before my impalpable longing for you, my sweet, turns to ashes, let me tell you this. Yet you were the hope that led me to nowhere. You were still the hope that kept me on. And after that, mon ami, I shall not stop loving you. For my second piece, this is about remembering. Who among you remembers your first love? Nice. But this is something that that's really imbibed on me because my first girlfriend died when we were still young. So the title of this piece is In Memory. I lived once ago. A cryptic background music lulls me, bringing me back to the first clutch of love.
Enjoy lang.
Love so pure and innocent, unmired by any sensuous aspiration, not wanting more but a gentle kiss from your loving lips, and a warm embrace that seems to last a lifetime. Every trailing puff from my dwindling stick it beckons, bringing out every single memory of you, your smile, your touch, and your gentle gazes, where we could be together once again to renew our vows. Oh, how delectable this night roses is, where you and I once again become one, and me once more reaching out to touch you, to kiss you, and smell your sweet perfume. For you, my dear, are seared into my heart, never dying, never will disappear. Oh, how sweet it is to be with you once again. But alas, time is a hassle. My pensive thoughts, like the cigarette I'm nurturing, is slowly diminishing into nothing. All my wishes and fancies drifting to another void. And then I live another step. For my third piece, this is actually in honor of the brave little child who died in the Great Sea. And this is actually not only for him, but for all those sleeping little babies and children lying on the seashore, never to be free again. Don't forget me. My fight has left me, drifting on the Aegean, away from the fires of the heathens, yet swallowed by the deep, never to be amongst the free. Fight for me, and not just with guns nor bullets. Sing my passing for the world to hear that I had left my home to be free, away from strife, death, and tyranny. Let others live a life free from fear. Don't pity me no more. Though I have passed on, I have become free. Just bury me under the ground and place a simple marker and flowers on its mound. Let our names be your banners, let them fly. Spell the name of freedom in the sky. Let future generations in it live. Let it be the legacy our struggle will give. Don't forget me. Well, huling tula ko, sana naman hindi ako ma-charge ng dito, ng core page fee. Kasi tungkol sa pagkain. Tawag ng title ng tula nito ay Bibig Kang Biak. At malalaman nyo lang ito bakit. Ang pag-ibig ko sa iyo ay parang bibig kang biak. Kahit mapanghiman ay tunay na masarap. Sunog man ang itaas, pati sa ibaba, pero sa gitna nito ay malinis at wina. Tulad nito ang puso kong matagal ng biyak dahil sa mapait na kahapon. Kung sa tingin mo, pangit ang buhay ko, matikman mo sana ang tamis ng pag-ibig ko sa iyo. Sabi nila, mas mainam daw ang puto kasi ito'y maputi. Pero para sa akin, mas masarap ang bigkang may hiwa na aking minamili. Kasi mabilis maubos ang puto pag ilamin mo ito. Di tulad ng bibigkang dinidilaan at dahan-dahang kinakagat hanggang sa dulo. Tulad ng ito ang pag-ibig na hindi minamadali. Sapagkat ang panandaliang aliw, ito'y madaling maligid. Ang sukatan ng pag-ibig kung ito'y sakto lang, tulad ng magpagawa ng bibingka unti-unting inaabangan. Kung sa bibingka pa sundutin mo ang daliri sa hiwa, kung ito'y masa-masa at may dumidikit, huwag mo nang hanguin at ihanda ang ibig. Tulad ng damdaming hindi pa napanahon, ito'y mabilis maglaho. Hintayin mo lamang maluto ito sa tatak ng minuto. Ang bibingkang biyak, pangit man tingnan, tikman mo lang ang tunay ng tamis ito'y iyong makamtan. Maraming salamat po at maraming salamat sa Zelda Dos at sa Wordsworth Poetry.
Mas okay sa akin ng ganito.
Okay ba?
Ha?
Gusto mo next time, ano?
Oo ba?
Next time.